Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise in the area weight loss, body shape, body sculpting, how to quit bad habits and improve your eating habits and become the better version of yourself in the areas that would affect your career, your professional growth, and your self-fulfillment. This is all interconnected with your body shape and the way you pursue yourself. Today's is the second video of a special episode that I have created, which called My Mom Approved. So meet everyone, my mom. Her name is Olena. She is 57 years old, and I invited her to join in these videos and share with you and answer a couple of questions that I asked her about how does it really important the body shape, the weight, how was maybe it's more important before than now or vice versa, or it's still important the same way. So how does it work? I will ask her in Ukrainian. And no, I will ask first in English, then I will translate to Ukrainian, then she would answer in Ukrainian, then I will translate for you in English. A bit extra, but what to do, she is not speaking very well English, and this is how we will structure to deliver the best. So, in today's video, we will discuss how the body shape, your weight, and your body confidence affects the career that you pursue as a woman, no matter what is your age. So, мамусю, розкажи, будь ласка, чому вага впливає на саморозвиток, на кар'єру і на професію, і чи могла би ти в 30 піти в модельний бізнес, як ти пішла зараз в 55?
В 30 я би не пішла в модельний бізнес, бо я була, скромно кажучи, боді-позитивна.
Угу.
Але з віком якось дійшла до того, що вікова жінка, вона теж жінка, і вона має світитися і очі, і волосся, взагалі йти і світитися, видавати світло на гора. Тому взяла себе, взбила як периночку і вперед до праці. А вперед до праці це спочатку гнати вагу, бо в жодному модельному агентстві тебе не приймуть просто так, тому що ти впевнена і пишна. Це не працює, повір, правда.
So, what I want to tell you here, this is very important and it may be sensitive, but here we have an expert view and here we have a real person who was in both shoes. My mom, she get an issues with her body positivity. Since she was 14, I share another question we share about this perspective in a video number 1. So if you haven't seen, you need to come back and view this video also. Beautiful piece of content. And what I asked her in Ukrainian, that how does body weight and body shape important for pursuing your desires and your dreams to conquer as goals? You know, we all have these goals to pursue. So for example, my mom, she was eager to pursue modeling, but she had the confidence in her 30s, but she didn't conquer, she didn't pursue. The doors wasn't open at those time for the mature women and hence for the women who are out of the range of 1960-90, because it was 27 years ago, right? But at her 55 years old state, which was 2 years ago, she get still as she was her body confidence and her confidence in herself, and she decided to pursue modeling because there is a gap, an opening of the mature women on the market for the model agency. And not only her desire and her confidence help her to get into this area and this industry to become a model with the leading model agency, it's also how she look. Because look here, this is very, very tricky and you may be triggered over here. In model agencies, in modeling business, I was myself a pro model when I was 16, 17. My mom, she's model right now. So we can tell you from a different perspective, from a past market and current market. In a modeling industry, I believe it's one industry that would tell you right to your face that how you look, what is your measurements, what is your skin quality, it's affecting your life, affecting as you are a model, affects what kind of job you will get as a catwalk, as a photo shoot, etc., etc. But at the same time, this is a parallel for all industries and for all areas in the life, because at least model industry are telling you this straight to the face, but rest of it does not tell you this to your face. They tell you body positivity, they tell you we love you the way you are, but at the back mind, maybe behind your back, they still judge you by the way you look. And this is a sad point, but you need to understand that your responsibility is take care of your health, of the way you look, and this is the first important aspect for you, because no matter what is other talk about you, is you do not care about their validation, but this is the solid foundation about you, that you know who you are and you are happy. And body positivity or not body positivity, but it's really the health, the appearance, and people judge you by the way you look. So, next question. Мамусь, скажи, будь ласка, чи ти думаєш, що аспект, коли зараз пропаганда йде на моделей плюс сайз, боді позитивіті, що це якось змінює тематику сьогоднішнього буття? Можливо, це після корони, можливо, ти також це відчуваєш, що більше йде пропаганда на плюс розмір, що ти маєш не хвилюватись про це як жінка, коли водночас це нас не те, що бентежить, а завдає нам збитків, скажімо так, нашому здоров'ю, так як ми виглядаємо, нашій самооцінці, персональним відносинам і так далі. Ти погоджуєшся з цим, чи взагалі які твої погляди на ці аспекти?
Я на це все дивлюся дуже насторожено, тому що корона нас, не тільки жінок, а й чоловіків, взагалі зрівняла. Всіх вдягли в піжами, всіх вдягли в оверсайз, всіх вдягли в мішки. Немає жіночності, немає гламура. Унісекс. Рулить унісекс. І це не є добре. Я так вважаю, не знаю. Але моя думка теж має право бути, думаю. Тому пильнуйте себе. Не ведіться, як сліпесенькі такі, не йдіть на поводу у моди. Те, що нам показують, то не є добре. Ми маємо вдягатися як жінки. І чоловіки мають вдягатися як чоловіки. Має бути якась гендерна ознака, по якій би нас розподіляли. Насаджують нам не то. Я так вважаю, принаймні.
So, that propaganda of the media, propaganda of social media, of news, of post-COVID, you may see the trends, that fashion industry, the outfits that you could see on a street style, on a catwalks. Again, we are both from a fashion background, from a modeling aspect. There is a lot of oversized style. There is a lot of masculine style. There is a lot of gender mix as unisex. And again, it reflects on your body shape, because when you are dressing day to day in your pajamas, in your comfortable clothes, you are neglecting the way you look, because you barely may see the mirror. You are on the minimalism. Maybe you do not look after what is the measurements of your body, because you are always casual, you are always oversized, and it's not healthy. It could bite you at the same time as it's give you this comfort, because you lose count, you lose a conscious count, or it's become your second nature that you just pick up comfortable stuff, the loose cuts, the oversized. But at the same time, when you have a meal, when you have a lunch, when you have dinner, you do not have any barrier on your clothes that you feel that it's actually enough. And then hence again, you enlarge your digestion system, you enlarge your food intake, and of course it's results that you are gaining weight, that you have issue with the weight, that you have issues with your skin, with your digestion, with your health. And it's not only affecting your health, it affects your body, it affects the way you look, it affects also the confidence, how the others look at you, how others talk to you at your face, how others talk to you behind your back, how you are able to pursue your dreams and your desires, because you also shorten up your capacity when you are not following a healthy lifestyle. So my mom advice, look after yourself always, do not go after the trends, invest in the health, invest in a fitness, invest in a good food. Мамусь, скажи ще, будь ласка, чи правда треба займатися спортом, підкачувати ці сідниці, ніжки, руки? Чи це важливо в 57 взагалі? Чи, можливо, ти просто почав зустрічатися, і це тоді важливо, а потім можна цим не займатися, і все якось буде?
Якось не буде, воно ні звідки не впаде, допоки сам за себе не візьмешся. Пам'ятаєте казочку про Мюнхгаузена? Як він себе там за чубчика витягував з усього? Так от так сам прокидаєшся, береш себе за чубчика і працюєш над собою, над своїм тілом, над своїм виглядом. Бо десь за спиною тобі багато що скажуть, в очі мало хто що скаже. Тільки можуть в модельних агентствах сказати: «Ня, ти нам не підходиш, твої параметри нам не підходять». Це буде дуже боляче. Так що уявіть собі, де б ви не переміщалися по білому світу, що ви йдете в модельне агентство. Якось так.
Тобто це ніколи не скінчиться, треба постійно займатися собою?
Власне, так.
Guys, here is the harsh truth. My mom said that even at 57, no matter what is your age, you still need to work out. Yes, it never stops. Does not matter if you are 25, if you are 30, if you are 40, you are 57, 60, you still need to work out, because surface of the society, of the people around you, your colleagues, your family, your relationship, your romantic relationship, your friends, your cousin, everyone pursue you by the outside packaging, the way how you look. And it's not to work out, to eat well, and to sit on a diet in order to please them, to look great and let them speak about you behind your back, how great you are. No, it's about to give the impression to the world that you show up to yourself, for yourself. You show self-love, and no matter what is your age, you are today 31, in the 10 years you are getting older, no matter what, you need still to invest in your health, in fitness, in workout, eating habits, quit bad habits, sleep enough to look great, because from this you will get an extra time in your life, you would feel restful, you will feel that you sleep enough, that you look glowing, that you look fresh, that you have energy and enthusiasm to pursue the dreams. Even in 55, to go to the modeling, you would have an enthusiasm and confidence to go for it, because if you feel fluffy, if you have a bad habits, if you are delusional, if you are distracted, if you do not have an interest in activities in your life, you may be just settle up for being a couch potato, and I bet you do not want to have such a future. So invest in yourself, keep working for yourself to be the best version of yourself. And if you struggle in this area, if you do not know how to do it, you need a consultation, you need a guidance. I offer a free consultation call of how to change your life, how to change your eating habits, how to start loving working out on a regular basis, and how to improve your body shape on a regular basis and have a long-lasting results. All you need to do, you need to fill out a Google form. I have attached link to the Google form in this video description, and we will take from there. We will settle a Zoom consultation, we will meet, we will discuss where you are right now and how to transform your life to be the best version of yourself. So for this episode we are done, and as a reminder and takeaway from my mom, and a beautiful, beautiful metaphor for the life. If you go outside of the in the life and you pursuing your day-to-day goals, your desires, imagine that you are going to the model agency, because model agency would always tell you straight to the face that your measurements does not suit our requirements, and you need to show up for yourself and work on yourself on a regular basis, because it's your foundation to pursue your dreams, your desires, to be the best version of yourself, to be the super glowing, healthy, fit, and lean woman that you are capable of being. And this is what a creator have for you. And if you are struggling, I'm here also to help you out and improve you where you are struggling. This is it for this episode, and we will see you in the next one.
Goodbye.